Hi, welcome to DK National and AAA One Elevator. We are in Augusta, Georgia, in a parking garage. It's drilling 2 holes, roughly 40 feet deep, 20-inch holes, for hydraulic elevators. We work all over the country and provide service for any elevator company or private ownership. If you need holes repaired, jacks and cylinders replaced and brought to code, we're one of the finest companies for this, and quick and responsible with references. Here we are drilling and augering 24-inch cases. This one's just about done. We have one more to do over here. Again, my name is David Bailey. I'm the owner of AAA One Elevator, which we are certified and qualified in most states. And we have a drilling company called DK National that can provide you any kind of hole or jack replacement or casing repair from bad installations pretty much anywhere in the United States. Please give us a call at area code 239-273-5191. Again, DK National, AAA One Elevator, 239-273-5191. Thank you. Be blessed.